Hey guys, this is Payam, and if you're someone that's on video a lot, and maybe you just want to know how the hell am I coming across on video, but maybe you don't want to ask someone, I'm going to show you a cool little trick that I learned from Google's Vision AI. Let me show you how it works. So you're going to go to cloud.google.com/vision, and then what you're going to do is you're going to see this screen here. You're going to scroll down and you're going to find this try the API. Okay, so what you're going to do is just essentially drag an image to here, and the AI is going to read it and predict your emotions. Okay, it can also do that with text and other things. I'm not going to go into all the details of this. You can read it if you want, but let me show you how it works. So what I'll do is I will drag an image that I have from my desktop. I will drag one of me smiling in a hat. Okay, let's see what comes up. Joy, very likely. Sorrow, anger, very unlikely. Surprise, no, but headwear, very likely. It's pretty accurate so far. And you can go in, you can look at objects, you can see some other different attributes just depending on how nerdy you want to get with it. So feel free to play around, logos, text. I mean, it has a lot of details, dominant colors, some pretty cool features. Let's try this again, but this time, let's put a face of someone mad. Let's see how well this does. All right, and there we go. Notice anger, possible, right? Because it's not really, it can be perceived as maybe surprised. So it didn't go all the way, but it went about a little more than halfway. So pretty accurate in my opinion, but as you can tell, it's not gonna be perfect every time, but no headwear. So it got both of those correct. And again, you can go into objects, see what's going on, things like that. But for the most part, I'm pretty satisfied with this. And if you're someone that's on video a lot, or maybe you just wanna know how you come across, I think this tool is fantastic. All you gotta do is take a screenshot, boom, upload it, and get some feedback. Easy as 1, 2, 3. I hope this was helpful. If you found this trick kind of cool, give this video a quick thumbs up. Also subscribe if you're new to the community. And I will see you guys very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.